Good morning, my friends. Today I have to change my car's aircon pulley bearing. Is the one sitting there. Let me just get some light here. Is that one inside here? It's making a squeaking noise. I change it like once in 5 years. I have to change it. It's about the third time now. The process of doing is I first have to loosen this bolt here, because this pulley, the bearing is like stuck to the like a bracket or a body here, and then underneath there's a bolt that I lower. Then after I loosen it, I'm gonna just slack some tension so that I can get the whole pulley out and take the belt off. So I'm gonna first quickly go and undo that. Right over here is the bearing. Let's put some light here. You can see if I turn it, it's a bit tough. It's not running lacquer, so it sits inside here. This is the pulley. You can buy this whole thing, but it's expensive. What I normally do, I just take that circlip out and press the bearing out, put a new one in, and then it is okay. You don't have to replace this whole thing. Okay, let's take this thing off quickly. Just put it in a vise here. Don't damage the surface area there. Now I just need to take the circlip out. Okay, here we take your pliers and just push it in. Always hold it on the side here that you don't. Let me just get a screwdriver quickly. Okay, while it's slipping out, so I'm gonna put a screwdriver in here. Make sure you don't. There's it out. Let's put that to one side. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a socket to get the thing out. There's no other way to damage the bearing. I push a socket here and the other pipe here. Then I'm gonna force it out with a vise, and then when you put it in, you take the old bearing and you press it on the outside, not in the inside. Otherwise you'll damage the bearing again when you put it in. Which I say, when you take it out is fine. There's no other way. But to press it in, you use the outside of the rim. Now what I do, I take a socket, just take a socket here, and you're gonna push it there with a vise, and here you're gonna put this thing so the bearing can come out inside here. Okay, see, now I'm gonna push this thing. See, there it goes. And just watch it this side. See, now you can see the bearing is on its way out. But now I just need to get some spacer here. That one is too big. The vise can't open so much. I'll just get something else quickly. Okay, I managed to put 2 pieces of wood here. And then let's press this bearing out quickly. How's it? Just need that extra little. See, there's your bearing. There's your faulty bearing. So I'm gonna put a new one in here. You can just clean this a little bit. I'll show you how to put the new one in. We're going to use this one to push in this one. Okay, now you just clean all the dirt and the grime in there quickly. Okay, now let's get the new bearing. Okay, this is the new packet here. It's made in NSK, made in Japan, so it's not a bad bearing. And just make sure it's the right size. And now we're gonna push this one in here. You see, it almost goes by itself. And we're just gonna do that last little bit. Just push it in. But we're gonna use now this bearing to push on there. You never push in there now. So we do like this. And it's almost in. I'm just gonna go very, very careful. Put it on the right space there, area. See now it's almost there. Just a little bit more. And make sure it is flush against the side there, and there's space for your. We're gonna put the circler back now again. Okay, now you put your circlip in here. You're gonna push that in again. The circlip is in. And there's your new bearing. Okay, now you're gonna put this one, comes in like this. Go like from the back. This is the part that's against the machine there. It's the back part. And then there's just the washer and your nylock. Okay, let's install it. Then after you finish, just make sure all the teeth of the belt is in line, doesn't skip anything. Always they say make a quarter turn, but it feels fine. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video of putting a new bearing in. Show you how to press a new bearing in that pulley. Until next time, cheers.